CBS Kapihan presents Mernell's Cake House.
Ako po si Merly Mendoza Balicao ng Los Baños, Laguna and CEO ng Mernell's Food Corporation. Ang Mernell's po ay sa homegrown business at ito po ay family business. Dalaga pa ako, nakabili kami ng small oven and konting mga gamit sa baking pagkamatay ng father ko. Ang Mernell's po talaga nagsimula 1997 nung mag-asawa na kami. And yung mga nakakatikim ng cake na ginagawa namin, ano po sila sa ibang lang friend hanggang dumami na kami ng dumami yung customer namin.
Even though their customer base was growing, Mernell's Cake House struggled to finance the growing needs of their business.
Finances medyo talagang mahirap. Kung saan kukuha ng capital, pinaiikot-ikot ko lang po yung mga aming kinikita. And at the same time din naman po, si Nelson po, yung husband ko, ay nag-work sa Erie. All around po ang trabaho namin. Nag-cater and then nagbe-bake din po. Nagde-decorate ng cakes. Napansin namin na ang cake, marami na nag-o-order. So, iba't ibang tao na, iba't ibang lugar. So, naisip namin at sabi ng mga kapatid ko at saka ng iba kong kamag-anak na mag-focus ka na lang sa cake.
The business started doing well with the renewed focus and dedication of Ms. Merly and the additional funding support brought in through the income of Mr. Nelson. However, they needed more to really help the business grow. That is when they found a suitable partner to back them up with vital financial services.
Through time po kami ang siya po talaga naging kaagapay ko sa finances. Hindi na po ako talaga lumipat na sa China Bank. Ang aming mga transaction, ang aming mga deposit. Pero parang hindi ko mapagpapalit yung kumbaga si Ma'am Cherry dahil siya po talaga tumutulong sa akin.
I'm Cherry Jane Pamplona. I'm the business manager of Los Baños Crossing Branch. Mernell's and China Bank Savings are partner for the last 9 years. I think we have a good partnership with Mernell's because not just a client, bank manager, there's a friendship between us. It is very important to have a good relationship with the emerging business so that they will continue to patronize our bank's products and services. And I think that's the secret while we were able to maintain good, longer valued client like Mernell's. I really want to extend my sincerest gratitude to Mernell's because he helped me in my banking career, and I think I also helped them in growing their business.
With help from CBS China Bank Savings, Mernell's Cake House evolved from a family-run business to a professional bakery with its own commissary, complete with an efficient production line to regularly churn out cakes and pastries for their faithful customer base.
Simula kami dalawa lang. Ito Nelson at ako. Then, nung ang mga bata lumalaki-laki na, nakakatulong na namin. Ang totoo naman po, ang lahat ng business, kailangan may passion ka. At kaya, ang inaano ko sa mga tao, and then sa amin po na kailangan lagi kang masaya pag nagagawa ka ng produkto. Gumaganda rin yung product mo, pati yung presentation.
From that humble operation, Ms. Merly and Mr. Nelson have expanded and diversified. They even have their own events venue.
2008 po nung magawa yung Mernell's Place. Pero before po Mernell's Place, nag-cater din kami. Nung magkaroon na ng Mernell's Place, nagdagdag na kami ng mga produkto. Yung Mernell's Cake talagang may distinct characteristic siya. At saka pag sabi nung mga nakakano, kayo pala yung may-ari ng Puso-Pusong Chocolate Cake. Nag-start sila ng fundraising tuwing Valentine. From then on, marami na nag-o-order ng mga Puso-Pusong yon chocolate. Doon naman po yung nagpasikat sa amin.
Apart from finding a strong and steady partner for funding support, Ms. Merly has several more tips for aspiring entrepreneurs.
Ako po, ang sinasabi ko lang sa kanila na kailangan lang sipag at tiyaga. And then, i-focus mo ang sarili mo sa anumang pipiliin mong negosyo. Kailangan pagsikapan mo na talagang pagbutihin. And at the same time, ang napaka-importante po is trust. Kasi kung hindi rin po kami pinagtiwalaan ng bangko kayo, hindi rin po uunlad kasi siyempre po nagsimula lang talaga ako sa walang-wala. Sa tulong po ng mga, yun din po yung mga supplier na nagtiwala sa amin, naging malaking tulong po sa aming business.
Beyond profit and income, Ms. Merly shares she is also quite proud of Mernel's hard-working staff.
Ang isang masasabi kong reward din, yung marami kang taong natutulungan, marami kang naisasalbang buhay ng tao. Kaya ang isa po, from ilang square meter na gawaan, ngayon po malaki na at high-tech na rin po. So yun po yung pinagpapasalamat ko sa mahal na Panginoon na yung sobrang hirap din po dinanas namin. Ang ano ko lang po ay magkaroon kami ng tulungan sa isa't isa, maging loyal sila at pagbutihan dahil ang Mernels po ay masasabi ko rin na maaring stepping stone lang at darating yung araw na kapag masipag at matyaga, bibiyayaan ka rin ng Panginoon ng blessing na apaw-apaw din.